Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn how to trade using ascending triangle chart pattern. So let me explain you what is ascending triangle chart pattern. So the ascending triangle is a bullish formation that usually forms during an uptrend as a continuous pattern. Okay, there are some instances where ascending triangle form a reversal pattern at the end of the downtrend. Okay, but normally it is a continuous pattern. Where so ascending triangle is a created by drawing one trend line that connects a series of higher lows and the second horizontal trend line that connects a series of high. So as shown in figure, okay, we have uptrend here. Okay, now price came down, again come up, came down, came up. So it is taking resistance at this continuous point, that is a horizontal line. Again it is taking support at trend line, and overall this is forming an ascending triangle. So we have uptrend, then it is taking resistance at upper trend line, that is a horizontal line. Also the higher lows forming near your trend lines. Okay, and once it is a breakout, a trend may be continue. Okay, so how to trade ascending triangle? Okay, so whenever a price will break this resistance line, okay, you have to take trade. So this is your entry point. What is your stop loss? That is current swing low or below your current swing low. So okay, this is my entry point, this is my swing low, so I will put below this stop low, below this swing low. And what is my target? So you have to calculate the difference between your swing high and swing low, or you can say a bottom of your triangle. So high point and this is your swing low point, so difference between these 2 points will be your target from your breakout point. So normally it will occurs during uptrend. Okay, taking resistance at horizontal line, taking support at trend line, and once breakout happen, okay, you have to trade. Now we will see on some chart, that is HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and on a TCS, that currently forming an ascending triangle pattern. So first we will see at HDFC Bank. So in my Zerodha account, okay, so on the 1 hour chart, okay, you can see, okay, taking support here, resistance here, here, and on a train line it is taking support. So once it breakout happen, what is the target? Swing, okay, 1 point here, that is your 960, and swing low, that is around 740. So 960 minus 740, around 200 point. So from here, now 200 point, that is around 1150, that is your target. Okay, but according to your risk and reward ratio, you can book a profit. Okay, but you can trade using ascending triangle pattern. Okay, now here you can see this pattern is occur during the downtrend. Okay, so it might be possible, okay, this is a reversal from here. You can see in ICICI Bank also, uh, okay, it is taking resistance here. Okay, so that is your horizontal line, and it is taking support in this trend line. Okay, once breakout happen, okay, you can go forward. What is the target? Current 370, 380, swing low 280, around 100 points. So from here the ICICI Bank target around 480. Okay, it is on a daily basis chart, so it is not intraday, it is for investment peak. Same way on TCS, Okay, multiple time here it is taking resistance, and okay, and here we have a triangle. Okay, so breakout confirm. So target, what is the target? Entry point is here around. So today's open or low, whatever you can say. What is my stop loss? That is a swing low. You can keep here 1750, or you can keep this candle low, that is 1850. Normally we are taking a swing low according to the theory. So target is 17, stop loss is 1750, but you can take according to your risk management. So it might be possible you can keep stop loss here, the low of last candle, that is 1850. What is the target difference between your the difference between your swing low and swing high? So 1900 and 1500, so around 400 point. So from this point 400, that is around 2300, that is a target. Okay, hope it's clear. So you can trade according to your risk management rewards point. Okay, on any time frame, if you find on a 15-minute chart, you can trade. Entry point is here, stop loss, swing low. You know target, how to calculate target. Okay, from breakout point, you can calculate your target. Okay, so that's all about from my side. Thank you.